Want to save a page as a template in Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can reuse your designs and speed up your workflow like a pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Just a quick note, I've dropped my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're thinking of giving Elementor a shot, I'd really appreciate the support. Start by opening your website and heading to the back end, the WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, and then go to All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your website. Pick any one. In my case, I'm selecting the example page, and click on the Edit link that appears beneath it. Once the page opens, click on Edit with Elementor. It might take a few seconds, but once you're inside the Elementor editor, you're good to go. You don't need to make any changes to the page, just look at the top right corner of your screen. Next to the Publish or Update button, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click on that, and a drop-down will appear with a few options. Choose Save as Template. After clicking Save as Template, a pop-up will appear, asking for a template name. Type in any name you'd like. I used Example Template, and hit Save. And just like that, your page layout and styling are saved as a reusable template inside the Elementor library. If you want to export this template, head over to the My Templates section under the Elementor library. Click on the three-dot icon next to your template name to either export or delete it, depending on what you need. And that's it. You successfully saved your page as a template. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.